Welcome to this video from In 28 Minutes. Thanks for helping us provide awesome learning experiences to more than 300,000 learners across multiple platforms, Udemy, Safari and Pact. Let's welcome our lead instructor, RANGA KARANAM. Welcome back. In this video, we would be discussing about some of the advantages of microservice architectures. The most important advantage of the microservice architecture is that it enables you to adapt new technology and processes very easily. When we build applications as a combination of microservices which can communicate with each other using simple messages, each of these microservices can be built in different technologies. In typical monolith applications, we would not have that flexibility. For example, microservice 1 might be Java, microservice 2 might be Node.js, microservice 3 might be written in Kotlin, and tomorrow there might be a language XYZ which is really doing well and which provides a lot of benefits to you. And you can easily create a microservice in that specific language. And also, for the new microservices that we create, we can bring in new processes as well. The other important advantage of microservices is dynamic scaling. Consider an online shopping application like Amazon. They don't really have the same amount of load or same amount of traffic or same amount of users throughout the year. Especially during the holiday season, the load on the applications will be a lot. And during the rest of the year, there might not be so much load. During the Black Friday, there might be a huge amount of load. If your microservices are cloud enabled, they can scale dynamically and you can procure hardware and release it dynamically as well. So you can scale up your applications and scale them down based on the load. Because you are developing smaller components, it's much easier to release microservices compared to monolith applications. This means that you can bring new features faster to market. And that's a big advantage to have in the modern world. In this video, we discussed about 3 of the most important advantages of microservices: adoption of new technology and processes, dynamic scaling, and faster release cycles. Until the next video, bye-bye. In 28 Minutes is providing awesome learning experiences to 300,000 learners across platforms like Udemy, Safari Online, and Pact. We have clocked million hours of learning in the last few months. The question is, what do you want to learn next? We are building solutions to help programmers at all levels. You can learn programming with our awesome courses on Java, Python, and JavaScript. You can learn full stack development with REST APIs and microservices with a wide range of frameworks like Spring Boot, Node.js, React, Angular, and Spring Cloud. We have 200 plus videos to help you start your journey from a programmer to a software architect. We have videos to help you learn frameworks, industry trends, including things like microservices. Learn the best practices in architecture, design, and code quality. Thanks for watching. Keep learning in 28 minutes.